Yo, what's poppin' with you guys? Mamba FX, I'm back with another video. And today's video is actually a pretty good video because I'm going to be telling you guys how I grow or how you can grow small Forex accounts, okay? So, a lot of people will tell you that you have to have this size account or this size account, and I don't fucking know why I have this ball in my hand, but this size account or this size account to be successful with Forex. You can only grow an account if you have 10,000 in there. You know what I'm saying? Don't even do Forex if you don't have $1,000 account. Don't listen to none of that bullshit. I don't want you guys to think that you can't grow a small account. Okay? Today, I'm going to be pretty much showing you guys or teaching you guys how to grow a $100 account with Forex profitably and successfully. Okay? I'm going to go over maybe 3 to 5 tips. And if you guys are serious about growing your small accounts, then you need to listen to every single tip, okay? You can't just take one and not the other, okay? And I've been doing this for a long time. If you guys need the proof, go down below in the description. You'll find a link to my Telegram. I send out signals there and markups, all that good shit, and it's all 100% free. So go down below to the description, click the link, join the team, and we'll get you started. But listen, okay? Tip number 1, okay, and this might be the most important tip, if not one of them. Always, and I mean always, use the exact same lot size, okay? Because what a lot of new traders like to do is they like to say, I really like this setup here. I'm going to put in a bigger lot size, right? What are you going to do when you do that, right? Let's say you do 2 trades on a small account. You use 0.01, both of them. And then they're both winners. So overall, you made about 15 bucks on those 2 or 3 trades. Let's say 3 trades, you made 15 bucks on a $100 account. That's 15% growth. That's not bad at all. That's really good for 3 trades, right? So you made $15 on those trades, and then you're like, wow, I'm feeling good. I'm going to go put in a big-ass lot size on this one. I'm going to do a 0.05. That happens to be a losing trade. So now guess how much you just lost? Over $20. You just lost 20% of your original equity because you just put in a bigger lot size than you've been putting in. A lot of traders think, oh, this is a good setup. I'm going to put in a bigger lot size. But guess what? Sometimes you're still going to lose because the market can do some crazy shit. If you would have just put a 0.01, you still would have been up 3 trades out of 4, right? So you got to be careful here. You can't just pick and choose different lot sizes with different things. Always stick to the exact same lot size. I cannot stress this enough. When I first started, I did not do this, and I blew account after account. I used to use $100 accounts only, just to practice. Blew them, because I wanted to get crazy and use bigger lot sizes here, smaller lot sizes here. Do the same one. That way, if you have a 50% winning record, you're breaking even instead of fucking playing the luck game, you know what I'm saying? So you don't even do that. And if you have a 50% winning record, I'm going to go over that in the next tip. Okay? Tip number 2. When growing a small account, you need to have good risk management and also good risk to reward ratios, okay? So if you do 2 trades and you're risking 3% of your $100 account, that means if you take your L and it hits your stop loss, that's negative $3. But you want your take profit to be at least double, okay? So have your stop loss, 20 pips, and your take profit, 40 pips, or whatever pippage you want to use, okay? So yeah, you might have lost 50% of your trades, but the other 50% that you won are now double what you're losing. So overall, you're winning, even at 50% or even under 50% by a little bit, okay? You already have a 50% shot at your trade hitting your take profit or your stop loss. It's already 50-50. The market can only go up and the market can only go down. It can't go left, it can't go right, it can't fucking go diagonal, okay? It can only go up or down. You already have a 50% chance. Look, maximize your chances. Have a good winning strategy, okay? It's not that hard, guys. Support, resistance, head and shoulders, divergence, all these things help you take that 50% chance to above 50% chance, because now you're not just taking a 50 chances with luck. Now you also have a confirmation of a trend line. You have support, right? Now you have a divergence showing. There's 3 confirmations right there. Check your fib. The fib looks good. Guess what? You're way over 50% chance of this hitting your take profit now. So keep risk ratio good. Risk to reward ratio, I mean. And keep your risk management good. And you'll be okay, okay? even on a really bad week, you're probably just going to break even, which, okay, it's fine. Next week, try again, okay? It happens. You're not going to win every trade, and you're not going to always have a winning week. What a lot of traders don't want to tell you is there's always a losing week, a losing month, a losing day, a losing trade. Nobody's 100% in this market. I promise you they're not. And if they are, then they're part of the fucking banks and they know what the hell is going to happen, so they just put in the trades. That shit has not happened. Everybody loses. You're going to take L's, okay? So tip number 3, with all that being said, is keep your emotions out the motherfucking door. Don't bring no emotions when you trade, okay? You take your loss, it's just a learning experience. It's not a fucking loss. Don't take it as a loss and be like all fucking broken hearted and be like, okay, I need to go find another trade to do. No, you take your loss, you move on. Okay, you go look for a new setup to happen, whatever it is. And stop bringing your emotions and getting all, fucking depressed off of a loss. It's okay. You're going to lose. Nobody wins them all. It's not about how you lose. It's about how you come back from losing, okay? So don't get so upset when you take a loss. That's very, very important when growing a small account because you don't have much to work with, okay? For tip number 4, do not over leverage. Do not have 10 trades open at once. Just because you see a trade that you want to take and you already have 6 trades open, you got to start trimming some shit. You can't be running that $100 account with 20 million trades open. You just can't do it, okay? You can't. It's too risky. Shit goes bad when you do that. Just keep it low. Keep it to a minimum. Don't do none of that bullshit, okay? Tip number 5, and this is going to be the final tip, okay? Stick to the same strategy. Do not mix strategies up. Do not go follow people on Telegram that give free signals and half of the time take theirs, half of the time do what you want to do, half of the time you're going off fucking what the oversold shit is saying on Telegram. Or not Telegram, I'm sorry. Trading View. You can't do none of that shit. Stick to one strategy. Keep your lot sizes the same. Stay consistent with it and keep doing it. You can't just mix it all up and do all this crazy shit. One person's telling you to buy gold. The other person's telling you to sell gold. None of that bullshit. Keep it legit with yourself and stay consistent and keep practicing your strategy. Some strategies you won't even know work unless you try them for a month straight. Okay? Because you don't know the overall numbers off of 1 week, off of 1 day. You don't know if this strategy is working or not just because it has 3 losses and 2 wins. You got to put it in a big picture. You got to do 100 trades and then see the percentages. And if you have 60 out of 100, that's a winning strategy. Just, stay patient. Keep grinding. I know this shit is hard. It's difficult. It pisses you off sometimes, but it's going to be all right. Keep working at it. Don't give up, okay? Any recommendations on videos you guys want to see, my strategies, whatever you want to see, comment down below and I will show you, okay? Other than that, go down below, check out my Telegram, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm on FX. We're out.